I'm Yunusa Kazim Abiodun. The subject that I want to talk about today is further mathematics. Nigeria is part of the country that splits mathematics into two, into mathematics and further mathematics. But some countries like Ghana, Sierra Leone and others, mathematics is mathematics. And let me tell you, mathematics is truly mathematics. So don't be panicked that because they are adding further to it, or some we call it an advanced math. Don't be panicked at all. So today I want to start with the introduction of set. Let me introduce set to you. What do you mean by set? The definition of set is defined as the collection of things, objects, or numbers. I will repeat that. Collection of things, objects, or numbers. If you collect things together, if you collect objects together, if you collect numbers together. Example of such set. Example of set is the collection of books in the library. You collect English book, math book, literature book, and government book, different book, history books. You collect them from different areas. You pack them to a place. The collection of those books become what? A set of books known as library. At the same time, the collection of artifacts. If you go to museum, you will see different the head of hero, an hero. You will see different. You will see the snake. You will see different things. So that the work of art, the work of artists, known as artifacts. So the collection of those artifacts is known as what? It's known as what? A set, which is known as what? A set, which is known as a museum. At the same time, at times if you go to mechanic shop, just look at the side in their shop, you will see a box. Inside that box, you will see different things there. You will see the different things that they are using. So the collection of those things, the collection of hammer, the collection of spanner, the collection of nuts, the collection of different things inside it become what? A set of mechanical tools. Then some of you will be wondering, our mathematical set, why are we calling it a mathematical set? It's because it's the collection of things that we are using for mathematics. Collection of pencil, collection of razor, collection of blade, collection of cleaner, collection of sharpener, collection of these, everything, compass, divider, all what we are using, we collect it from different areas. We pack it into one pan. That's why it become what? The collection of things become what? A set, collection of mathematical tools that we are using. Then I want you to know that we use capital letter X, Y, Z, and so on to represent a set. I will repeat this. Capital letter to represent a set, not small letter. Capital letter to represent a set. A set. At the same time, what do you mean by element of a set? What do you mean by element of a set? The elements of a set, they are those that are inside the set. The element, those that belongs to that set. I use that of the library. That is, that English textbook belongs to what? To that library. I use that of a mathematical set. That pencil, that cleaner, that razor, that divider, they belongs to mathematical set. That's why we call them what? The element of a mathematical set. And those things, we use small letter to represent those sets. We use small letter to represent those sets. What's the symbol for a set? We can write it like this. The symbol of a set is like this. It's like this. It's like this. What's the meaning of this? Meaning that sets of. So this thing means the collection of these, collection of things. Let me rewrite it. So I can write it like this. That if I have something like this, A, B, C, D. So I will call this thing set of A, B, C, D. Set of A, B, C, D. Let me tell you this thing. Because you can't just be writing any bracket for WAEC. You just call zero. This is not set of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. If you write something like this, you are wrong. This one is correct. If you write something like this, A, B, C, D, you are wrong. This is not a set of. This is set of. But if you don't know how to write this, you can simply write this and put zero at the back. You can see it looks like the one I'm talking about. This is also what? A set of. You must understand this thing very, very well. We are dealing with what? Set of A, B, C, D. So if I say if this thing is what? Let this one be what? Z equals to the set of A, B, C, D. Why am I using set? Why am I using capital letter? The Question is, why am I using capital letter? Because I've explained that we use capital letter to represent a set, and we are using small letter to represent the element of a set. So I can write this one like this: A is element of Z, meaning that A is part of Z. A belongs to Z. A is an element of Z. A is a member of set of a set Z. I will repeat that. A belongs to set Z. A is an element of set Z. A belongs to set Z. So we can write it like this. But do you see P here? No, we don't have P here. Then if I'm saying, so I can say P is not a member of a set Z. Remember, this is small letter. And this is what? Capital letter. It can also, if I have X here, let me add the X to this one. Then it will now become X belongs to Z. If I change this one to X, then that will now be what? X belongs to X. Small letter belongs to the set X, which is what? Capital letter. Which is what? Capital letter. Also, like the one I just told you about a mathematical set, let's assume our mathematical set is K, because my name here, the first letter of my name is Kazim. It's K. I mean, the first letter of my name is K. So I can say, if this our mathematical set is representing K, then let's say this is our pencil, this is our cleaner, this is our eraser, this is our compass. We have C already. This is our, okay. Let's just make it 3. Let's just make it 3. If this is this, then we can now say pencil belongs to the mathematical set K. You can now say cleaner belongs to the mathematical set K. And we can now say, let me just say, okay, pure water. Okay, pure water does not belong to the what? Mathematical set. To this example, example 1. If X is the set, if X is the set of all prime numbers and P equals to 7, then P is a member of X. What do you mean by yes? That is, we are saying S is the set of all prime numbers. X is the set of all prime numbers. Our prime numbers. Can you tell us the prime numbers? Okay, some of you made a mistake by saying 1 is the prime number. 1 is not the prime number. The prime number is from 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So if X is set of prime numbers, don't forget I said this symbol is known as set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. So if the set of prime numbers 7, which is equals to P, belongs to X. That's why we cannot say P is a member of X. That is 7, which is equals to P, belongs to X. Now another question is here that if A equals to 6, is A a prime number? No. A is not a prime number. A is even number. A is an even number. Since A is an even number, that shows that A which is equal to 6 will never belongs to the what? The set X. So we can write that as A is not a member of X. A is not a member of X. You may be a student, set of students in your school. That shows you belongs to that school. Meaning that you are the element of that school. Like for those of you that are looking that will like this our mathematical lab called a pure mathematics lab. Now you belong to the set of our mathematics lab. So the collection of different people from the whole world are watching the video. Once you like it, once you love watching our video, it shows you are element of us. You belongs to us. So belongs to us means you are what? They are what? Element of us. I will also make this example. It may be funny, but it's not funny. Like in your class, maybe you are in SS1, set of SS1 students. Some of you are from Ogun State, from Oyo State, from different area. Collection of you people in that class become the set of SS1. Till next time we are going to proceed in this further math, the continuation of this set. Thank you. Wish you best of luck. I still remain my humble self, Yunusa Kasim Abiodun.